BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. In the stable version of the Microsoft Edge web browser for desktop, there is a feature that is part of the new RSS feed feature called Followable Web. That allows you to follow your favorite creators on YouTube, as I have been posting on over the last couple of months. And just to do a quick recap for the purpose of today's video, here you can see I've previously followed Hardware Unboxed, and if I head to the top right of the address bar, we get this little toggle with a green tick saying you're following this creator, and if I click on that toggle, it opens up the most recent posts for that YouTube channel and creator in the side panel. It gives me some information regarding that channel, and I can also follow and unfollow that channel by clicking on this toggle in the side panel. Now that's in the stable version of Microsoft Edge and the preview versions. And if you would like some more information regarding this topic and this feature, you can just do a search on the channel Follow Creators on YouTube in Microsoft Edge, which will just provide you with some more info. Now, once again, in Edge Canary, which is the first of the preview versions of the Edge browser, Microsoft has taken this followable web feature one step further. And now in Edge Canary, the follow feature is now also available on some news websites, not only just the YouTube platform and following YouTube creators like it currently is in the stable version. And if we just head over to The Verge as an example, here you can see I get the same little toggle with a green tick, you're following this creator. And at this stage though, this is only rolling out on some specific news sites. I have done a bit of fiddling around before posting, and most of the news websites, it's not working yet. So obviously it's still early days. We are dealing with Edge Canary, and obviously Microsoft will have to do a little bit more work and roll this out to more news websites and platforms in the future. And also a new feature that's rolled out for this following feature for these news websites is that if I click on that toggle, you get the same recent posts now that have been made available, like you currently can see when you follow a YouTube creator. Up until recently, all it did was give you, as an example, The Verge, and you're following that, and you can unfollow them, but the recent posts weren't showing, and now those recent posts are showing now in Edge Canary. So Microsoft has taken this feature one step further, and if I just click back here, you can see recent posts from my different YouTube creators that I've been following and am following in Edge Canary, and then creators you follow, and it just gives me those different platforms. These are two YouTube channels, and then I can click on The Verge, which is a website as mentioned. And for this feature to work, you must just double check that you are running the latest version and build of Edge Canary, which currently in my region at this stage is 109.0.1517.0. So just make sure you're up to date with the latest version and build. But just want to let you know, the follow feature is now also available currently on only some news websites, but because it's still early days, Microsoft should be rolling that out to more news websites and platforms where you can see your most recent posts in the side panel in Edge Canary currently. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.